Welcome to Q&A Wire.
In this problem, it is given that the figure shows graphs of f, f dash, f double dash and f triple dash. Identify each curve and explain your choices. So here we can say d is the function of f, because we can just see one thing in differentiation. What happens is, to understand it, we will just get into it. There should be a maxima and minima points, right? So maxima and minima points are found in the curve D. We can say maxima and minima points are found in curve D. That means, this means D is function of graph. Function graph, you can say. Right. So now, what is less than? We are just writing in the decreasing order, right? So now here we have 2 points, right? 2 points we are getting here for graph D. So obviously, where we can get f dash equals to 0. So there must be 2 points again. So only 2 points are available in curve D, curve C. So that's why f dash 0, I'm sorry, this is f dash. F dash, we are considering the function graph, right? So f dash shown by graph C here. Graph C here. Okay. Now, again, if we will differentiate again, so f double dash will be decided by whether the function is concave up or concave down. Why? Because this is in graph C, this is decreasing first and it is increasing first. So after differentiation, the graph should increase first, concave up that is, and it should decrease. Then we can say this f dash double dash, therefore f double dash is represented as graph uh, graph's curve B. All right. So moving ahead, we can say the only remaining graph is A, which is triple differentiation of f, right? So here we can easily write it like this: a as, you can see here, this must be written like this: a is nothing but this is f triple dash, b is f double dash, now c is f dash, and d is function graph, that is f. So this is how we calculate this graph in this way. I hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching.